So this is a small video to show how room Kyoto is like. So this will be your room. So this is a sofa cum bed which can easily accommodate 2 person, and this is a king size bed. So this is the view that you will get from your bed right here, and this will be your balcony. Similar to this is Suite Osaka right next to it. So if you're a family of more than 4 persons, you can probably book 2 rooms together with a common balcony. And let me show you how the washrooms are. So this is a washroom which is like 12 by 12. Here it is.